guys, welcome back to my channel guys. Ford Ranger, no signal light, switch on, no accessories, no signal light guys, hazard, no hazard, no signal light, no light indicator. So check natin guys na. First, lagyan tayo ng test light. Dito muna tayo mag-connect ground. Yung test light guys. Check natin dito sa baba. Sa ilalim lang guys. Dito sa upuan ng driver seat. Check natin guys. Up. No power. Yun, signal light guys. Tanggalin natin. Yep, tumutok guys. Palitan natin ng tapis mamaya. Testing muna natin kung gagana yung signal light. Jumper muna. Isang piraso lang. Yan. Kabila lang guys. Signal light. Testing natin guys. Yun, ayos na guys. Hazard, good. Signal light, yes. Left and right, right, left. Ayos guys. Thank you for watching.